time guys, Richard One here. Currently on board the R594 rail bus replacement bus between Redbank and Sherwood. Not quite sure the make of this bus, but... Pardon? Yeah. Yeah. But one thing that is cool about it is you can open a window. We're currently going along the Ipswich motorway. It's weird, eh? Never thought I'd be saying that about a bus with an open window being weird. Already at Darra. We're about to go underneath the Centenary motorway. You're almost home. Not quite yet though. That way yet.
I'm going up. No, I think that's going up.
Oh really?
There's one coming next to me.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not death this time though. No, that's more in Japilli.
No. That's
oh yeah. But you want to know something? I've had more incidents at the Japilli one than what I have here. Well, near misses, should I say?
Yeah, exactly.
No, like when I've been driving, I've had more at Inchpilly than what I have had at that one.
Really?
Yep. I've had a road rage incident back there.
Where?
That one. This guy pulled down in front of me, like, because I was already on the roundabout, right? He was coming off the way that we just came off of, but going straight onto the Ipswich motorway. He's pulled across in front of me. I've hit the horn. He's then hit the brakes. And then as we've gone down the ramp, he's decided to brake check me once or twice more. I ended up going around him. Well, that's the thing. I kind of couldn't when I was behind him because he cut me off. I've hit the horn. He's then braked. And yeah. I missed that whoa sound. I wonder what that other bus is at the moment. Probably like Waco. Yeah, Gales or Waco, one of the two. I reckon it would have been north of Darra, to be honest. Well, oh yeah, you would have been waiting at Darra for your next train. I would have been continuing on. I think I pardon? first time in a long time I've been down this road on a bus. And the last time I came down here on a bus, I think it was on a 104.
Yeah, it's still awesome.
No, I wasn't in high school. Because like what happened was I was waiting for the bus at Corinda, right? He's turned up before the time he said it was due. And I'm like, oh, doesn't this bus start at Corinda anymore? He's like, yeah, there's one about 3 o'clock. I'm like, yeah, that's now. And he's looking like, oh crap, it is now. So he's then like had to drive down to the school with me on board. Like he took me down, right? And then yeah, he's had to come back around and everything. Oh, speaking of the school, we just went past Lingrave Ave. Back there, that's what they said the lights were. No, we're turning because we're at Sherwood. No. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap the video up now. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the like video if you like the video, like button if you like the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.